This is amazing. What if you can integrate Gemini large language model in your application using API? What if you can create a user interface like this and able to use Gemini API to perform tasks? That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about Gemini API integration in your Python application. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do this. But before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel, so do subscribe, click the like button and stay tuned. As a prerequisite, you need to sign up to Google Cloud and also enable APIs when requested to do so. For example, you might need to enable generative language API. You might need to enable Vertex AI API. And as a user, you need to have permission to access AI platform and Vertex AI as an administrator. You can create users and assign permission under IAM and admin tab in Google Cloud. There you can grant access to any user by clicking this button, adding their email address and assigning roles such as Vertex AI administrator, AI platform admin, and as an owner if required. Make sure you give only the required permission to be more secure. Next, you need to install gcloud CLI, and you can see for various OS like Linux, macOS and Windows, the list of steps. So you can follow this and install the gcloud CLI. By typing gcloud -- version, you can verify that gcloud is successfully installed or not. After that, type gcloud init and click enter. This will automatically ask the email address which you have provided access in Google Cloud portal. This is vital. Only if the particular user has permission to access Vertex AI API, then you can run this code. So as a first step, conda create -n Gemini Python equals 3.11 and then click enter. Next, conda activate Gemini and click enter. Now we are going to install Google Cloud AI platform from pip and then click enter. This will install the required Vertex AI package. Now let's create a file called app.py and open it. Inside the file, import Vertex AI. Next, from Vertex AI preview generative models, we are importing generative model. Then the model name, we are defining it as Gemini Pro. Then responses equals model.generate content. And then we are providing write a meal plan for today. Next, we are providing the configuration with the total number of tokens, the temperature, and the top P. Next, we are mentioning stream equals true and then closing the bracket. Next, we are looping through the responses which we received and printing the output. That's it. Literally few lines of code. First, you are defining the model name in the generative model function, then adding the prompt what you want to do and setting the configuration and streaming. Finally, you are printing out the response. Now we are going to run this code. In your terminal, python app.py and click enter. Now we can see the meal is being printed out, the breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. So that's the question we asked for, the meal plan for today. Now we have integrated Gemini Pro in your Python application. Next, we are going to add a user interface using Gradio. To do that, I'm going to install Gradio using pip. Now going to modify this app.py slightly. I'm going to import Gradio as gr at the top. Next, I'm going to define a function, def generate prompt. Then going to move this code inside that function. I'm going to delete the print statement. Here I'm going to pass the prompt here. Then I'm going to make this stream as false. It's just one response. And finally output and returning the output. And now I'm going to define the Gradio interface, gr.interface, passing the function generate. Input is a text, output is markdown, and the title is Gemini Pro API UI. That's it. We just moved that into a function called generate, passed the prompt as a variable, and added the Gradio interface. Finally, iface.launch. And we are going to run this code now. In your terminal, python app.py and click enter. Now we have this URL. I'm going to open this URL and here is the user interface. I'm going to write a meal plan for today. Click submit and here is the breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. Give me 5 business ideas. Here are 5 business ideas. Write a cover letter. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the job title and it's a template. Write a Python program to find the factorial and here is the Python function. That's it, as simple as that. now you are able to integrate Gemini Pro in your own application. I'm going to create more advanced tutorials similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.